Alright, hey everyone. So for my last section, I decided to title it To Conclude. I kind of wanted to do like a little overview of my weeks throughout the semester, which is why I chose to screen record the the course schedule and kind of just talk a little bit about it, a couple of weeks in particular. I feel like week 0, it was a little bit, it felt a little bit off because our class does happen on Thursdays. So that first week of school, it felt a little bit weird to do some assignments that were due prior to the class meeting, only because I had no idea what was to be expected for the class or what needed to get done. So, like always, it was a little bit weird the first day or the first week of class. Then I'll go ahead and jump into week number 2. This was when Matthew Doley was our guest speaker. I thought it was really cool what he was showing us, which was the SARC, the policy map, the California dashboard. It was more of an insight that we were able to get about schools. It was something that I actually never knew about, especially the SARC, which I thought was super cool to look through, and it's definitely something that I'll go ahead and use in the future when it comes to looking up schools, looking up their diplomatics, and whatnot. Then I'll go ahead and jump into week number 5. So this was where the 5E lesson plan was introduced. Of course, when I first saw the template for it, I was very confused. I felt like it could possibly be something very simple to do, but I was actually not expecting the lesson plan to take all these weeks to complete. So the lesson plan took more or less 9 to 10 weeks to complete, which, looking back at it, it's kind of insane to think about. I mean, we started on week number 5 and we ended on week 13, I believe. Yeah, so from weeks 5 to 13, we were working on our 5E lesson plan and going through it. Now that the course is coming to an end, looking back at it, I personally think that I would very much enjoy retaking a course like this one or the same course, only because I feel like I've learned so much throughout the course. Not so much, I mean, yes, of course, material-wise, but more so with my learning development. I feel like I learned a lot about that. And yeah, it was really cool constructing a lesson plan and doing the actual lesson plan through Zoom. I thought that was a really cool experience. Thank you.